Okay, this is probably going to be the worst tutorial video ever, but these are the heated grips that I bought from Uncle Wang, and I think they are OEM. Anyways, I took a box cutter and just completely destroyed the original, which I realized I didn't have to do because you have to disassemble this whole thing just to be able to get this screw here that holds this piece in place, which in turn holds the whole throttle in place. So there's no need for any violence, so to speak. You don't need to cut anything. You can just dismantle the old ones and keep those for whatever reason. On this side you have, if you peel back, you have a screw here. Just a feel how I fucked it up a bit because I tried to unscrew it the other day. You unscrew that, it goes straight through, and then you can just remove it. The thing with the new ones is that it doesn't have that screw. So I think the only solution I have is Gorilla Glue. So I think that the left part, the left handle, you have to just glue. I don't know if you need to like roughen this up a bit because it's very smooth, but I'll leave that up to you. Okay, so that's like the worst tutorial ever, but it has some valuable information that the other tutorials didn't have. Also, yeah, here's a quick thing. You don't need to route the electricity down to below the saddle. You can just, on the left hand side, you can just remove this fairing, and if you look here, right here, after you remove the left indicator, you have, what the fuck? Look at this. Here, you see? That's an extra, what do you call it? You see what I mean. You can just plug in here the connector for the heated grips. Here, just plug in those. This one goes to the right one, and this one goes here on the left side, and just wire it underneath here or however you like it, and just connect it to this one, and I think it's supposed to work. We'll see.